Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back in another video. So I've not done an unboxing video in quite a while, especially a technology one. So yeah, I bought a gaming mouse just because it's on sale. It's on for £14 at the moment on Amazon, but I paid £4 for it because I used a £10 Amazon voucher I got for free. So £4 for a gaming mouse, you can't go wrong with that, can you? So it's a Logitech G203. This is a wired one, which I wanted because I'm slowly going to build a new gaming PC. Because I'm done with laptop gaming. You know, it's too hot to have on your lap. I have to think about my future children, you know. So we're going to be switching over from laptop gaming soon. I'm going for PC gaming, I've decided. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing like a bookshelf thing, like a walk-through bookshelf. Because right now there's a bookshelf in the corner of my house. So I can't get rid of all that because it's all my dad's stuff. So the idea is, instead I get a walk-through bookshelf thing, two of them. So it's like an archway. So all his books and stuff will stay in the same spot. But because I can walk through, I can put a desk there. I'll put a corner desk there, and then I'll be behind there, facing outwards. It'll be pretty cool, I reckon. And on the archways, I can put LEDs as well. It'll look mental, won't it? So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. So stay tuned. I do a gaming series, like a build. We've done a budget one, but now we're gonna do an expensive one day. So yeah. So this is the G203 LIGHTSYNC gaming mouse. So it does have RGB lighting. You can get this in black, white or blue. The blue one looks horrible. The white one looks alright, but I chose black because the colours will pop out more. Do you know, the RGB lighting? And yeah, there's a brand. So he has 8000 DPI, coupled with gaming grade sensor. Oh yeah, one other reason I chose wired is because I can't be asked with changing these batteries constantly. My mouse right now is wireless. Constantly have to change batteries. And it's annoying. And it costs money, you know, for batteries. If you want some good batteries like Duracell that's gonna last a while, it costs you good money. But if you just get cheap ones, they don't last for all, like maybe a month or whatever. So yeah, 8000 DPI, that's quite good. So you can change the sensitivity from 200 to 8000. That's really good. Okay, full RGB lighting, 16.8 million colors, very nice. You do that through the software, which you have to download. So it's called Logitech G HUB gaming software. Okay, so it's got six buttons that you can program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. Hook knows, we'll have a look. Play your mouse position. Yeah, so this one's been made specifically for gaming. And it's got, and guess what it's got inside it, guys? A nice processor. A mouse with a processor inside it, guys. That runs at 1000 Hz. Is a 32-bit ARM processor inside. So that's when you know you have an intelligent mouse, guys. So guys, let's go ahead. Unbox this thing. It's got a bit of a sellotape on, so I'm just going to cut it. Give me 1 second, let me pause the video, because I only have one hand. Alright guys, pull that out. Oh, very nice. Slowly pull this out. What do you guys think of my mum's tablecloth? And underneath the tablecloth is another tablecloth. Then underneath that is wooden table. Okay. Oh, I'm liking this USB cable, guys. Very nice and soft. They probably could have made that thicker, so it would be more durable. But yeah, we'll see how it fares. Logitech sign on there, really nice. I like. Guys, this is the main showstopper, the pussy popper, the Logitech topper. Okay, pull this out. Come on, man. This is very hard with one hand. So it's got like a stealth look to it. Like, it just looks like a normal mouse, to be fair, without the lights on and stuff. But then let me tell you, when you plug this in, bloody hell, guys, that's when you're gonna have some fun. Let me see if I can find a USB to plug this into. There's none in here. Okay, so you got the two buttons there. Oh, they feel really good. That feels good. One nice scrolly button. A button there. There's your sensitivity button. Laser trackpad underneath. Is anyone old enough to remember those shit scroll wheel ones? The what they called mouse, the actual mouse balls. That's what they called or something. Can't remember what they called. It was a ball, tracking ball. They were shit. Every now and then you had to replace them because their ball used to fuck up from friction and shit. But yeah, that was shit. These laser ones are superior. No wonder they survived. Guys, Logitech gaming mouse. These feel very soft. Ooh. Okay, let me have a feel. Oi, that's perfect size for my hand actually. My other mouse is a bit too small. This, I'm gonna be clapping some people with this on CSGO and stuff, you know. Bloody hell. Let's have a look inside here. You got a manual. Come back to me, don't run away, bloody bastard. Here you go. Okay. I thought this was a manual. What the fuck is this shit, man? Safety. How you gonna... what's gonna happen with the mouse? It's gonna blow up? Bloody bastards. So there is no manual. You don't really need a manual. It's just plug and play. Oi! Fucking hell, what's one of these? Let's see which way is it meant to go up. Okay. Sticker. Where can we stick this, guys? I'll stick it on my brother. Okay. I'm gonna stick this on my brother so it'll be sponsored by Logitech. But yeah, let me go get a power bank or something just so hopefully it lights up. Let's have a look. Give me a second, guys. Oh my god. Fucking hell, this looks so good. I wish I could show you without my flashlight. Okay, guys. Wanted to make this one all done in one clip. But it's not possible. Unless I can block the flash out for you. Let's see. Let's see if I can block the flash out without blocking the camera. Kind of. There. Have a look, guys. Fucking hell, that's beautiful. Now that's what you call a mouse, guys. Ooh, very beautiful. Now it looks like a gaming mouse, guys. Oi. Let me actually switch the light off. Let's see what it looks like that. Might look better like that for you guys to see better. But in person it looks sick. It's because I have my flash on. Ooh. No, it's still too bright. Flash is too bright. Ooh. Look how gorgeous that is. Right now it's doing a scroll thing. I think I don't even need the software. I might just leave it running like this. It looks really good. It's just doing a smooth transition between all the colours. One side's purple, one side's purple blue. What do you think of it? You like it? It's alright, focus. Not bad. Tashang, look, it is moving. Okay, I'm gonna be clapping some cheeks with this. Be ready, guys. Coming to a country near you. Guys, highly recommend this mouse. It feels amazing. Much better than my other shit mouse. But then again, that was cheap and Chinese branded. So yeah, this is a proper Logitech gaming mouse. Sorted, guys. Bye now. See you guys next time. Goodbye.